Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ima Talk Update. I want to say thank you for visiting my channel, and if this is your first time, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that when next I drop another video, you'll be among the first to get the notification. Alright guys, for the sake of this video, we want to see how we can create this introduction video that just played when you started watching this video, and it's very simple to create. Remember guys, you have to stay to the end of this video so that you don't miss a step. If you miss a step, you would definitely not get how to edit it. Alright guys, so for the sake of this tutorial, if this sounds like what is interested to you, turn on the notification bell. Alright, let's go. So we're going to use the app called Inshot. Okay, click on video, click on new, and they allow you to select blank. Alright, select blank, ensure that it's in video. Under album is in video. So this is a blank page that will now pop up. So for here now, we want to add a text. Now the text that we're going to add is going to be in green color or lemon color. Alright, so when you're adding your text, if it's white, you just have to change the color from this color we bought in here. So we're just going to type in zoom. Zoom is what we want to use as the text that's going to zoom out. So I'm just going to change the font. I'm going to change the font by clicking on this A here, and then I'm going to click and drag this edge here. So I think we're going to go with this one. This is the zoom that I've typed. So this is where the video is going to display in between the text. All right, so we select this button, and then the next thing we're going to do is I think we have to duplicate it now. All right, so let's go to copy. So I just did that 1 to 3 times. All right, we have one, then we now did it to 3 times. So you now click on each of these items so that you can extend it to the end. All right, click, then click to the end. All right, so it's going to be exactly the same size of the blank page which is selected. So let's go back now. Now let's try and make it a single text per letter. All right, per letter. So you click on that zoom, remove the MOO and leave the first Z. All right, then you go to the next one. So you go to the next one there, you do the same thing, you remove MO and remove the Z also. All right, so that's what you do to all of them. Ensure that all of the text are standing alone. All right, as you can see now, the Z now, I'll just shift it to this end, then I'll go to O, which is the next one. Click on it, edit, remove everything there, remaining just the O. Click on it, then I'll adjust it to make sure I'm seeing just 2 of the text. All right, so you adjust it, good, and then you go to the next one, that is another O. So you remove the O, M, and Z O. All right, it's remaining 1 O. All right, this is it. So you can adjust it to fit, good, and then you go to the next one, which is the last one. You just slide towards it. Yes, then click on it and click on this edit here, and then you remove ZOO, that is zoo. It will remain in the last M. So you now adjust it towards the end. Good. We've gotten our first layer. All right, this is the first layer. Now we're going to work with this first layer. We're going to export this first video, export it out, and then we're going to import it back. Let's play it and see how it is. All right, this is what I want. So I think this is okay for me. So since this is okay, I'm just going to click on this tick good sign here. All right, then I'm going to save it to export this video and then come back again. All right, so I'm going to export it now. It's exporting. All right, so it has exported already. So the next thing now is for me to start all over again by importing this same video we just edited now. By importing it, so we click on this plus sign here, you add the video. So this is the first video here, close to the blank. First of all, this video is the layer. All right, we need a layer that the text is going to fall on top. All right, this is the layer. So the next we're going to import the other one as PP. All right, so I'm adding two videos because I want two videos to play at the background while the text is zooming in, right? So I'm going to take out the first one. Remember, we did not take it out, so we're going to delete the last one. Now what you need to do, look at how the video is going to play. Both of them, I've imported two videos. These videos are going to be at the background while I import the other one. So to import the main video I exported, now just to click on pip, and we click on pip, right? You click on pip and then you add it. So I want to increase the speed of the layer of the video, right? So I'm increasing the speed here. Okay, let me still increase the speed of the layer of the video. All right, 3:9. Let's see how it goes. All right, I think this is a bit okay. This is a bit okay, right? I just increase the speed of the background video, right? And remember, for you to add the exported video, you have to edit like pip. You have to click on pip, right? PIP. Then you now overlay that one you exported. So let's see how it is. I think it's okay now. So in between these two videos, I'm going to add something like a transition. Okay, this is okay now. So now let's go to pip. I think we have to go to pip and expand this video that we overlaid. All right, this video that we overlaid. But before then, let's click on this. Let's see if we can work on the expansions first. I think that should be the first. Okay, let's work on it first. All right, I'm just trying to expand it to fit my screen and make sure that it's at the middle. All right, make sure it's at the middle. Okay, I think this is okay for me. This is okay. So I'm just going to adjust it now by trimming out the initial. So we just select cutout, right? Select cutout, go to chroma key, then click on the chroma key and drag it towards the ending. All right, there is all you see that it will trim away that green. You know, normally green screen, when you put green screen into it, when you put a chroma key on green screen, it takes away the background. So that's just exactly the simple trick we applied here. All right, so you can watch that part over and over again to actually get it. So as you can see, guys, we've gotten what we are looking for. Very simple, as simple as this. All right, so we just trim it out, and then now we're going to zoom, all right, to fit in our screen. Make sure that it's in the middle. So now what I want to do next is for us to select a keyframe. All right, select a keyframe. So you just tap on plus, which I just did now. Then you zoom it a little bit after you select the first keyframe. Then the second keyframe you select again, tap on plus again, add the keyframe. Then you zoom to the extent that you find out that you want it to be. The reason of this keyframe is for you to control the zoom while it's playing. All right. So as it's playing, you notice that the text will zoom out and then it will zoom out to the infinity. All right, guys. So that's the end of this video. Yeah, guys, try it out and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop your comments.